Hey Lila, so today I'm gonna present the Boutique Build Australia Strategic Plan. So I'm gonna present myself. My name is Jessica, and I'm gonna talk about the new strategic plan, as well the new company's mission and objectives from the upcoming year. The new strategic plan, the proposal of that was developed by external consultant with the input from the CEO and senior management team. So that was set to create direction and as well establish strategic priorities and to describe how this can be achieved and how we can measure it. So this is gonna work from probably the next 3 years. So the strategic plan priorities is gonna be the objectives. That's gonna be the expansions of the company into Brisbane and Sunshine Coast markets, and as well to discuss and allocate the roles and the responsibilities in relation to these expansions. I'm gonna talk about the market characteristics and conditions. So it's gonna be global economy, technological advances, and also environmental trends. So about global economy, so Australia set a regain momentum in 2020 thanks to the range of major infrastructure and projects and programs. So the Australians now generates over 360 billion in revenue and produce around 9% of Australia gross domestic product. It has been projected an annual growth rate around 2.4% for the next 5 years. For technological advance, it has increased as well and has gained significant digital disruption. So for technological advance, we're gonna require the workforce to be trained and retrained and as well upskilled for the jobs from tasks that require these technologies, new technologies. So the prefabrication is gaining more acceptance, and we require construction workers to have different skill sets. So training from workers in prefabrication, you need to come from manufacturing and construction training package. So the environmental trends demands for green and smart buildings. The green and smart buildings construction is on the rise in Australia in the moment. So the workers they need to keep the knowledge up to date in regarding the advances in both sustainable buildings practices and the use of the smart technologies. So the risk management, I'm gonna talk first about the risks and then following with the strategy. So the first one is gonna be the Australian government changed the policy in relation to industry. Our strategy is gonna be to develop ability to foresee and react quickly to these trends, the diversification of source market, and as well the product range. Another risk is gonna be the significant drop in cash flow. Our strategy is gonna be identify the finance available, the efficient invoice and debt recovery, and the accurate income projections. The third risk is gonna be the failure to recruit planned numbers of clients. So our strategy is gonna be the high quality delivery of our service, the swift reaction of feedback, and the skilled motivation in staff. The last one, but not least, the last one, it's gonna be the world recession and the domino effect. So our strategy is gonna be the diversification of a target markets with strong growth forecast, and monitor the economic trends. The roles and responsibilities for the operational activities of business expansions. So the roles from the staff is gonna be the operation manager, Bob, sales. His activities gonna be review the potential markets, recruit for key positions in Brisbane and Sunshine Coast, coordinate the setup for new place centers. From market manager, Jane Smith, is gonna be launch marketing campaign from eco-friendly homes, launch promotions in Brisbane and Sunshine Coast markets. From the human resource team, Deborah Turns, she's gonna analyze the workforce diversity, develop and implement a work-life balance programs, and employ new staff as required. and customer service management, Amar Singh. So he's gonna be responsible for new staff training, staff performance reviews, and implement work-life balance programs. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoyed to watch this presentation. Thank you.